Hello students, we have been seeing the first chapter in the science. Today let us study about the second chapter in the subject science. Okay, so the name of the lesson is safety and first aid. Whenever we get hurt at home or some small accident or some wound is created, what is required? It is the first aid, that is the temporary treatment which we give at home is called first aid, and we have to take care of the safety also before having the first aid. Safety is very important, so in this chapter we are going to study about the safety and the first aid. So students, by the end of this chapter you will be able to, by the end of this lesson you will be able to explain that there are different places where you need to be safe. I'll try to explain where you have to be safe in the different places and what safety measures you have to take care of. Then you will be able to describe safety habits that you have to follow, and what are the safety habits you need to follow wherever you go. We are going to learn by the end of this chapter. Carry out basic first aid. What is the first aid and how the first aid has to be carried out will be taught in this lesson. Now, before beginning the lesson, this mind opener is there. Means we will have to recall what we have learnt in the previous all the years and lessons and classes. Have you ever fallen or and got hurt yourself and hurt yourself? Have you ever fell down and have you got yourself hurt? Have you ever cut yourself with a blade or a knife while cutting? If you are going to help your mother with a knife, you might have cut your finger while cutting onion, tomato, something like that. So, what did you do during those times? Have you seen anyone bump against a car or a scooter on the road? You might have seen some small accidents or large accidents taking place on the roads. It happens, it just happens, and sometimes you will be bumping into something, you will get a bump on your head, um, and so on. So what care we have to take care is given in this lesson. Okay, now let us begin with how what are these safety measures we have to take. We have to take these in the case of accidents. What are accidents? Accidents means an unexpected event that might lead you to being hurt is called an accident. Something what happens, whatever happens to you, which you will lead and end up getting hurt is called an accident. They can happen if you are careless. When you get hurt, it is very painful, right? It takes time to get better, right? So whenever you get hurt, when you are careless, we meet with an accident or we get hurt, and getting hurt is really very painful, isn't it? Now further, accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. It can be road accident, or even it takes place in the houses also, in the outside open places, like not even open places, like disasters are also accidents only. Many things are there where it happens all of a sudden, it occurs all of a sudden and create lot of wound or pain, or something like you lose a hand or leg, or fractures are there and all, so on. Accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. You have to be very careful to avoid the accidents. You have to follow safety rules. That's why your parents will be avoiding you to play on the road. Why do we not play on the road? Because there will be vehicles passing through on the road. So your parents want you to be safe. In order to you to be safe at home, they ask you to not to play on the road. There are certain other things, so like just like how I told you. Let us see what they are. Now, firstly, safety at home. How do we have to be safe at home? Is given over here. Do not leave your books and toys lying on the floor. What happens if you leave your books and toys on the floor? Somebody may topple and fall. Someone might trip over them and fall.